is one of the oldest neighborhoods within the original boundaries of the Miami City. It is located just northwest of downtown, south of Alapata neighborhood, and west of Wynwood area. Segregated by both custom and laws, it began as Color Town at the turn of the 20th century. Today, the total population of Overtown is approximately 11,000. It is predominantly African American, followed by a relatively lower percentage of Caucasians and Hispanics residents compared to other neighborhoods in Miami-Dade. Overtown has a higher percentage of women and lower percentage of men than Miami-Dade County. Around 73% of households in Overtown primarily speak English, and 22% speak Spanish as their primary language.
The area has a relatively high concentration of housing projects and other publicity subsidized housing. The average number of people per household is 2.6. The median rental rates in Overtown is 36.9%, less than in Miami average, ranging from $500 to $900 per month. Overtown is now one of Miami-Dade's poorest communities, buried beneath Interstate 95. Much of the present day overcrowding, rodent infestation, and dilapidation are directly caused by governmental policies of urban renewal and highway construction, which have caused massive displacement, resulting in overcrowding of remaining units. Landlords have reaped significant profits from deteriorated properties without having to upgrade them.
Household income in this area is 45.7% less than the Miami average. It is between $25,000 to $28,000. The unemployed percentage rate is also high and is above state average. The poverty level is greater than the Miami average with an 87%. The cost of living is 16.3% less than the Miami average, and the population tends to spend most on groceries, utilities, housing, transportation, and healthcare. It's one of the main schools of this area. It is a kindergarten to 8th grade school, so it does include middle school. Its grade average is an F, and it has a rating of 3 out of 10. It's not one of the greatest schools in this area, and the rest of the schools that you can find around Overtown are also graded the same way. This neighborhood, there tends to be a lot of cops around in this area, due to the crime rate being very high. It is the second highest compared to Miami Beach. As of June 30, 2014, there are 1,330 registered sex offenders all around this area. The highest crime committed is in thefts with a 56% average, burglaries, assaults, auto thefts, and robberies.
About 55.4% of the labor force in Overtown primarily drives or carpools to work. The neighborhood has near access to several metro bus stations and 4 main metro rail stations. These are historic Overtown Lyric Theater, Colmer, Santa Clara, and the Civic Center station.
Overtown offers a variety of recreational centers for all communities. Rainbow Village Park and Williams Park are within walking distance of each other. Programs offered include after-school care, summer camp, winter camp, spring break camp, youth flag football, and youth basketball. Most serious health issues and risk factors in particular to the Overtown area are the easy access to fast food restaurants such as Popeyes, Burger King, Wendy's, McDonald's, and Dunkin' Donuts, as well as the cultural aspects related to cooking that lead to unhealthy dietary behaviors and inadequate physical activity that results in obesity and increases risk of diabetes and cardiovascular disease.
Multiple healthcare facilities can be found around the neighborhood area, some being relatively close within walking distance or a short traveling time. The main facilities that provide easy and affordable access are Jefferson Reeves Senior Healthcare Center, Miami Rescue Mission Health Clinic, Jackson Memorial Healthcare System, and the University of Miami Healthcare System.
Jackson Memorial Hospital is the largest public hospital and provides care regardless of one's ability to pay. It is affiliated with the Miami University of Miami Medical School and treats the poorest patients as well as those with special surgical and rehabilitation needs.
Jefferson Reeves Senior Healthcare Center is a focal point for healthcare services in Overtown and Miami-Dade communities. The Healthcare Center is the home of the University of Miami Run Family Medicine Residency Training Program. The center offers comprehensive primary care services, and the participation in the Jackson Healthcare System facilitates referral to Jackson Memorial Hospital for specialized services. Miami Rescue Mission Health Clinic was founded in 2009. The clinic focuses on the homeless and families and residents of the area, including those who have substance abuse problems, HIV, and all types of STDs.
As we see, is the Miami Rescue Mission Center for Women and Children. This is again part of the Miami Rescue Mission. It's a separate building. Here only women and children are allowed. Men are actually separated from them. Women here are rehabilitating or may have been involved in domestic violence. So they seek assistance here. They give them shelter, food. Actually, they find them jobs, and they help them, get back in their feet. And they take care of their children while they go to work. They offer after-school programs and assistance, again, for everything: school supplies, clothing, and everything for their children and themselves.
So that concludes our windshield survey.
I hope that you have learned as much as we did by making this video. Thank you.